No, Katie, you can't take anymore. Katie, you can't do it. Oh, she's gonna fall over. Look at her, look at her, look at her. Look at her. You should be taking pictures. Oh my God. Katie.
When you guys come down, there's chairs and stuff. If you want to bring them down. Right in there. Run them out. And there's a raft, so you can carry it on.
Look at her, look at her. Willie! Will! Look at Katie! She looks like she's holding her britches up. Doesn't she?
Mm-hmm.
She got her jet skis out.